The mode of communication that is preferred is that a complaint is received to the concerned police officer in person. A complaint given to the police officer is noted down in DD diary, which is a daily diary. The formal receiving is the second copy is given after the stamp of the concerned police officer along with writing a DD number. The same will include the name and contact number of the investigating officer and the date and time when the complaint was received. What are the major points to remember while writing a complaint? The complaint must be filed immediately. In case of any delay, it must be mentioned in the form as to why the delay has been made. If the complaint is given orally, it must be taken down in writing and the officer in charge of the police station must explain the complaint to you within the jurisdiction where the offense has taken place. The complaint must be very specific. 4 copies should be recorded simultaneously with the carbon sheet in place. The complaint must be recorded in the first person. You should check the language which it needs to be done. The use of complicated technical words, unnecessary details and terminologies should be avoided. Ensure that the time of arrival and departure is mentioned in the complaint and in DD of the police complaint. What should be the major essentials of the complaint? So the major essentials of the complaint should be: in what capacity is the information being provided? What information must be conveyed? Mentioning the perpetrator of crime and against whom the crime has been committed, the time when the crime is committed, the place where the crime was committed, the reason you think as to why the crime was committed, by which way process the crime took place, name of the witnesses if any, the loss that has occurred, physical, the loss, money, valuable possessions or anything. Were there any traces of crime scene, if any is there? And let me give a small tip of how to write a proper police complaint letter. There should be certain things to remember while drafting a complaint. The complaint must be clear and legible. The problem must be precisely described. The problem must mention the person to whom it is directed, subject and the prayer clause along with your details. The relevant authority must be addressed appropriately. The date and time of the event must be mentioned. Official content and language must be used. Also, the evidence may be provided to support the evidence. The complaint must bear the offences and ingredients as mentioned in the IPC or any other act. Describe the outcome you expect out of this complaint. Give proper suggestions as to what would you like to be done. You may mention the department you wish to handle your case. It should be tried to keep the complaint short and direct to the point. The complaint must not be exhaustive, ambiguous, false, vague, misleading or confusing. Thank you so much.